चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब। इस करेंगे एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव के सारांश के बारे में। y इज इक्वल टू एफ एक्स देन डी डी एक्स ऑफ डी वाई एट द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ एफ एक्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स। Let f is the function defined on D subset of R and D1 is subset of D, then f is set to increasing function of D1 if for all x2 belong to D and x1 greater than x2 implies that x1 greater than equal to fx2. For a decreasing function on D1, all x1 and x2 belong to D1, x1 greater than x2 is fx1 greater than equal to fx2. Increasing function on D1, all x1 x2 belong to D1, x1 greater than equal to x2 implies that fx1 greater than fx2. Decreasing function on D1, if all x1 x2 belong to D1 greater than x2 implies that fx1 less than fx2 dash x greater than 0. X is same open interval AB subset DF is continuous in AB subset DF. Then f is strict increasing on AB subset DF. X naught and y naught is point on curve y is equal to f dx of dy, x is equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught, exiting a finitely. Then of tangent of y is equal to fx at x naught y naught is y minus y naught is equal to d dx of dy, x is equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught and x minus x naught. Of normal y is equal to fx at x naught then y naught is y minus y naught is equal to 1 बटे d dx of dy, x equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught into x minus x naught. X naught y naught is the point on the continuous curve y is equal to fx, m is equal to d dx of dy, x equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught does not exiting. Then tangent y is equal to fx at p is parallel to y axis and its equation is x is equal to x naught. प्रथम करा if p x naught y naught is a point on continuous curve y is equal to fx x of dy, x equal to x naught, y is equal to y naught is equal to 0, then normal of y fx at p x and its equation x equal to x naught. This d dx of dy y is equal to y naught is equal to x naught. Thanks for watching.